Yo ninjas and Kaio, welcome to this new series of daily videos to level up your power moves. I will upload one video per day from December 1st until December 24th. In each video I'm gonna show you some exercises or a little combo to improve your power. We're gonna start easy in the first episodes, so you can still follow them if you are a beginner as well, and we are gonna increase the level step by step. The goal of this 24 video program is to improve your power move control and create new combos and opportunities with the power moves you have. Beside this program, I'm also gonna post daily on Patreon from December 1st to December 24th. In my daily Patreon videos, I'm gonna focus on how to be more creative with the power moves you have and with the combos that I'm teaching in these tutorials. So make sure to join my Patreon, link in the description, and let's start! In this tutorial, you will learn how you can pretend to know power moves transitions even if you can't. The dynamic of this combo will be very similar to a windmill to flare, and it could be a really helpful exercise to learn how to windmill to flare. If you already know how to do windmill to flare, you can still learn this combo to add more variety into your power moves. So we're gonna use the tap mill we did in the previous episode, and we're gonna combine it with a two-step. I'm gonna show you very slowly from the tutter freeze, side freeze, shoulder, tap. From here, I'm going to show you from this perspective, turn and do a kick out on the left shoulder. From here, turn and reach the tutter freeze again. And you did one round of this tap me. As I said in the previous tutorial, when you transition from here to the shoulder, try to turn a little bit. So don't do it in a linear way like this, but try to turn clockwise if you spin clockwise like me. So like this. Practice this slowly and then build up speed with time. When we reach the tutter freeze again, all we have to do is lifting up our head in this way and at the same time turn with our body like this. Lift up and turn. To turn, you really have to move your hips in this way. You have to do this with your hips. So lift up your head in this way and at the same time move your hips towards the left if you spin clockwise. So like this. I'm gonna show you again. Lift up the head and move the hips to the left. Once you move your hips, you wanna land on the left leg and keep the right one straight. Land in this position here. Tutter freeze, and from here, the right leg kicks like this. The same like when you do tutter freeze to side freeze, but this time you have to lift yourself up. Practice this until it feels very comfortable. Once in this position, we're just doing a two-step. To make it look more like a power move, really dynamic, don't just move your legs like this and then turn, but really try to swing your legs to give power to the movement and make it look very wide. So from here, instead of switching the legs in a straight line, you want to switch but kick the left leg a little backwards or to the side and then swing it all around. Again, from here, kick and swing all around. This will generate way more power and will make the movement look wider and bigger. Turn and change the arm. You can lean the hand in a footwork position like this, or if you have too much speed and power, it's maybe better leaning the left hand flat on the floor to not hurt your fingers. Since we are arriving from the freeze, the right hand can be flat on the floor like this, because we did a freeze before with this hand, but then when you turn and kick, this hand can be like this or can be flat, as you prefer. The important thing is that you make the movement powerful. When you jump here, try to jump high and push your feet up in the air, not your hips. So the jump shouldn't look something like this because it looks uglier in my opinion, but you have to push from the legs, from the feet. So the feet should go up in this way. Not the hips, not this, but the feet. If you're just trying this combo for the first times, don't give too much power, maybe at first, but start slowly and then add more power with time and add more speed. I'm gonna show it slowly now, without any power. Or if you want to do the combo continuously, from the jump I can reach a tutter freeze and go back to the tap kneel. I'm going to show it slowly now. Let's make it just a little bit faster. If you learn this combo properly with a good momentum and speed, windmill to flare will be very easy for you. To get more creative with this combo and with your power moves, join my Patreon link in the description. As I said in the beginning, we are going to increase the level step by step. If you want to follow this program and try these combos, maybe you can try to post your videos and tag me on my Instagram at Kaio so I can check your progress about these combos and exercises, and I will share your posts on my Instagram story. Doesn't matter if you do it fast, you can do it slowly. See you tomorrow with a new combo and new exercises. Yo ninjas!
Sí.